Hi everybody, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to show you how to replace a toner or toners in your Canon MF635Cx. So we got a couple of printers here, so we'll be doing videos on some of them, how to put toners. Some they have errors, you know, those error codes. We have these Toshiba machine, we have GitHub, stuff like that. All of these, which machine is this? A Xerox. We have a Xerox here, a very big Xerox. This is an industrial machine. We have a Toshiba machine here. I don't remember the name, the number. But it's a Toshiba. This one we have here a Nashua machine. Which machine is this? It's a Ryko SPC430DV. We have also another Ryko here. I don't know the number, but all of these machines we might make some videos on them. So we have also this small machine here. It's a Canon, and it seems to have Wi-Fi here. So that's what we have for now. So in this video, we're gonna show you on this machine specifically on how to replace your toners. Maybe you have them and you don't know how to replace them. It's a very simple process, and we're gonna show you how to do that. What do they give you on the machine? You get your USB here. If you want to print, you do that one day. And also this machine is a color machine. It takes four toners, which is cartridges. Okay. Then it has that screen where you access everything you want. So you can go also at the back here. It looks like this. I want to give you on the machine whereby you know exactly that's your machine. So the model number you saw it. So you can identify your machine by the features it has and the ports it has. So it has 3 ports here for telephone, fax, stuff like that. It has this network cable access. You can put in your LAN cable here to print using your LAN cable, or you can go to the internet or send email, scan and send email there. It has also a USB cable which you can use to print out. It has also a USB port, another USB port on the top where you can put in and also make a printout. So this is where you access. If you have something like maybe paper jam, you can access this area. Then you can take out your paper jams. So you can see all of this place is very clean. Nothing is happening here, nothing wrong is wrong with the printer. You close it here, and you can see this is the cable where you put your cable, your cord, and you put it straight in power. After putting it straight in power, so you can come here in the front. I'm rolling in here in the front to see what's gonna go on. So here in the front we have our glass here where you put your, this is where you put your paper, and here that's where you put your, sometimes also you can put paper here in the feeder, but sometimes these feeders they become dirty sometimes, and you cannot use them unless if they are being cleaned. So, and you can't clean them, maybe the technicians can. So if you can't clean, you can just use your glass and make your scans, make your copies. All of that. It has a B5, it has a F5, it has a F4, and I don't know what it means if it's say LTR. So that is the printer we have now. So we're gonna switch on the machine and you see the behaviors. That's why the behaviors which makes you to think that the printer has to be replaced by the printer's cartridge has to be replaced. So you press the button is there. Once you press that, so you're gonna see your printers gonna come on the screen. just open the machine. Then you can see when you open the machine what it tells you to do. Then yeah, no, I was right. You open the machine. When you close it, it goes back to 1. It should go back to 1. So but if you open it, it goes to 2, and 3, it tells you to slide that down. So you pull this, then you slide this down. Once you slide it, it's still on 2 because this tray is not 100% out as the printer wants it to be. So if you don't have space, get space. If you see still on 2, you can push it backwards, or you can push. Let me push this machine a bit forward. Put this out. So I'll put this out. Okay. After then it gives you the next step. Next step, you click next. Next step. Once this is out, it tells you next step. Take out this machine. This one of the cartridges. You take out one of the cartridges, which is black. Okay. Then it goes. To not make mistakes or forget, what you have to do once you take out black, open your black cartridge and a new cartridge. You take it back here instead of taking all of them out and replace them, because you might forget and do something wrong. So those are one of the guidelines I'm saying. So if you say if you press next, I said next. Okay, it says shake the toner cartridge 5 or 6 times. You can see that's what they tell you. You shake the toner cartridge 5 or 6 times. Like this, they say like this. Shake it down and up, 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 down and up. Then you can go here, you put it back here. Then you say next. Next, then you say okay, insert the new toner cartridge. You get me? So we've inserted the new toner cartridge. Then you say next. Then insert the toner cartridge tray. Okay, then they say you have to push in this tray, and you push in like that, and also say next, which is gonna be to close this. So once you close that, then the cartridge is gonna read if you put in a new cartridge. But for now, in this video, we did not buy any cartridge, so do not turn off the power. It tells in this video we did not switch on the watt. We did not put in the new toner. We just used the old toner to demonstrate how to put in the new toner. So you switch on your machine again, then okay, the machine is gonna go back to that screen. Why? Because the toner we put in is still the old toner. So we wanted to show you how to do that, but once you have a new toner, it will be easier for you to do it, because you've seen how we've done it. So other cartridges also, it's gonna be the same. It's gonna be the same steps. You press here and take out everything. So if you wanna replace this, you just take out this like this. Then you take it out. You bring the new one. Then you can see that hole. Then you put in the new one here. You can put in the new one here. Okay, you put in the new one. After putting in the new one, so you don't have any stress, you put in also another one and another one and another one. So once you're done with that, if you want to brief, but most times black is the one which get finished quicker, because it's being used every time the printer is making any print. The printer, when it's making a printout, if it's black and white, it's only black works. If it's black and some colors, maybe and pink, black also has to work. If black and yellow stuff like that, whatever, black has to, because black is being used sometimes to mix some of the colors, because here are only colors, 4 colors. So how do you tell me that 4 colors can print like red? You can't see red here, you can't see green here, but these colors, they are being used by the machine. They mix it with black and stuff, they know how they do it, then you get the red color or whatever color. So the color black finish quicker. Why? Because it's being used every time the printer makes a printout or a photocopy. Thanks guys for watching. This is Azania Tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Okay, so we close down machine. We can switch it off if we want to.